Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Kandihay, Bohol. So, dumating tayo dito around 9 PM from Santa Fe Beach. Kasi I had to go back to Tagbilaran at wala akong masakyan. So, we will be visiting Kataptapan Rice Terraces, isang falls, and yung cold spring. This is Kandihay at night. Imagine. Sobrang tahimik. Wala akong makainan, so I just ate burger. So sa isang local burger chain here. So yeah, there. Medyo haggard na rin tayo. So I have to rest kasi early morning din yung ating magiging start of tour tomorrow. So let's go back to the place that I'll be staying tonight. Good morning guys! So time check, it's around 5:30 AM. So ready na tayo sa ating Kandihay tour for today. So, ang ating destinations for today ay Kataptapan Rice Terraces, Kamumantad Falls, and ang Kanawa Cold Spring. Good morning! So, nandito na tayo sa Kataptapan Rice Terraces. So, it's around 30 minutes from town going here. And this is now my view. So, sobrang sakto lang din yung punta natin dito kasi sunrise. Ayan. Although, cloudy masyado, kaya masyadong kita yung araw. But it's already rising there. So, bumaba tayo dito sa rice fields para mas makita natin ng closer yung ating rice terraces. And it's really good for the sunrise here. Good morning! So, nandito pa rin tayo sa Kataptapan Rice Terraces. So, kasama ko pa rin si Kuya Ronnie, ang ating guide for today. So, nagkape muna ako doon and then ngayon akit tayo dito sa may burol. Tapos overlooking yung mga rice fields. Sabi, ang lakas ng hangin. Good morning po! Ha? So, dito tayo dadaan. Ayan. Ito pa talaga ang daan. Ayan, so may irrigation, tas may pilapil sa gilid. Ay, kabila pala. Dito pala. Akala ko ikot na tayo dyan. So, dito na tayo. Nakalagpas na tayo ng rice fields. Nakita tayo dito sa may burol. Hey, doggy. So, akyat na tayo. my burol. So, maganda daw sa taas yung overlooking ng mga rice terraces. So, syempre, hindi tayo papahuli para makita yung view na yun. Teletabi yan. So, ito nga pala yung picture sa Windows XP. Sobrang ganda ng view dito sa taas. Medyo malakas na yung hangin, so sorry about the hair. So kita mo dito yung rice fields. There. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Grabe, sobrang worth the visit here. Perfect siya for sunrise watching. So, kitang-kita mo dito yung araw. And then, okay din siya for sunset. Kasi sa kabilang side, kita rin. So, either or, I'm sure this is paradise. I'll be putting here also yung 360 views para parang narating na rin yung Kadapdapan rice terraces. So make sure to visit this hill when you're here kasi dito ma-appreciate yung ganda ng lugar. I hope you guys consider this when you visit Bohol. Okay, so nagsisimula pa lang silang mag-araro nung lupa kasi umani na sila ng mga March, April. So may tanim na ito mga around June. So you count July, August, September. So maybe that's a really good time to visit here kasi sobrang green yung rice fields. But if you wanna prefer the golden-ish, so make sure to visit during the harvest season, which is around September, March, April. Yan. Okay, so let's have one more look and we'll go down. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang hill. Dalawa kasi siya, magkatabi. So check naman natin yung view sa kabilang side. Okay. Doon tayo galing sa hill na yon. Let's go here. Okay, so mas malawak yung top niya. So yung view mo dito, yeah, of course, may rice terraces din. Kaso nga lang, it's really brown. Yeah, so mahirap yung overlooking view dito. Kasi ganyan siya, bangin na. So you really have to go down para magkaroon ka ng visibility of the fields. So it's really good dun sa kabilang side. But if you prefer sunrise here, yeah, it's also a perfect spot for that. As well as, of course, sunset on the other side. Okay, sorry about my hair. Ayan yun na. Impromptu na yan. Okay. Okay, so we're going down. So I hope you guys enjoyed that view. Babalik na tayo doon sa Eleuterio restaurants. So yun yung magiging starting point natin papunta ng Can Umantad Falls. Alright? See you there! See you there! Okay, so nakabalik na tayo dito. Ayan, ito yung pababa ng waterfalls. Wala naman daw isang oras. I'll update you kung gaano katagal bago makarating ng waterfalls. Okay, so pababa na tayo dito. Ayan, medyo matarik yung daan. Although concrete, yan, tas meron namang handrail for guide. Pero still, be careful when you go down here. And take your time, of course, slowly but surely. Okay. Going down, going down. Okay, so we are now deep down the forest. Nakalagpas na tayo dun sa hagdan. Sabi nung kuya doon sa taas, nasa around 400 steps daw yun. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa flat concrete way. Yan. Pababa pa rin tayo ng falls. Okay, so from here, dinig na natin yung cascade ng waterfalls. So that's the indication na okay, nandito na tayo talaga. So we're here. So dinig na yung falls sa background. Develop na rin pala itong area na to. So as you can see, may mga tables and cottages na rin dito. So you can rest after that shooting. And of course you can have a picnic with yourself, with your family, friends, and everyone. Welcome to Can Umantad Falls. Grabe, sobrang taas niya. According to what I read online, so ito daw yung pinakamataas na waterfall dito sa isla ng Bohol. Ayan. Okay, so nandito tayo sa loob ng falls. Sana naririnig nyo ako. So, mayroong small gate dito. Ipasok tayo. So, sarap ng tubig. Sobrang refreshing. Alright, so that's Can Umantad Falls. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And hopefully makabisit din kayo dito when you visit Bohol. Okay, so dalawa yung way para makapunta ka dito. So meron yung motor, bababa ka doon, and dito yung entrance mo. Or kung galing ka naman doon sa Eleuterio, so yun yung way na ginawa namin, pababa dito sa falls na mismo, yung bagsak mo. Alright? Okay. So ito yung mahirap dito. Pataas naman, so good luck. Yan yung akitin natin. Oh. Okay, nandito na tayo sa may handrail. Ito na yung diretso dun sa Eleuterio restaurant. Okay, so nakabalik na kami dito. So konting akyat na lang, tapos ito na yung rice terraces. Yan, dito sa taas. So roughly around 10 minutes yung pababa, and then paakyat around the same 10 to 15 kasi mas mahirap paakyat. Okay, so we're here. Okay, so ito yung restaurant dito. Eleuterio Restaurant and Rice Terraces. So while you're enjoying the rice fields, you can stay here and relax. Okay, so after a few minutes, nandito na tayo sa Kanawa Cold Spring. So, and open daw sila 7:30 to 5 p.m. And my entrance na 10 for kids and 20 for adults. Alright, so ito yung spring, no? So kaya siya tinawag na Kanawa kasi hugis kawa. So from underground yung water. Yan, and then dadaloy siya going there. So as you can see, ginawa nila siya ng parang resort doon sa kabila. So, totoo ang chismis. Malamig yung tubig. Parang masarap din mag-swimming dito. Pero, sobrang lamig ng tubig. So, well-maintained naman siya. Nililinis nila regularly. Kanina naabutan ko sila pin-filter yung mga dahon dyan. Yan. Okay, so dito nagtatapos yung ating Kandihay tour. Dito of course sa Kandihay, Bohol. So if you guys are in the area, please explore this. It's worth it. So I'm not sure kung meron pang ibang destination. For sure, meron yan, pero with our limited time, ito lang yung kaya nating i-visit for now. So for sure, in the future, we will be back. That is our video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. So, if you wanna see more, subscribe, follow, share this video, comment down below. Akala ko tapos na yung tour namin. So nagka-side trip tayo dito sa Kandihay kasi umiwas tayo sa LTO, sa highway. May nang-uulan. So Pumasok kami sa loob-loob. Kita nyo yung view. So maganda rin naman. So and this is Jones Place. Dito tayo nagstay. Right beside lang siya ng health center. Tapos andun sa kabilang side yung munisipyo. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit like and then comment down below. Please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. See ya!